Imagine a smartphone with no screen, no buttons, and almost no physical controls. Instead of showing information on a screen, it projects information directly into the world. There is no charging cable, headphone jack, or memory card slot anywhere on this phone. But the strangest feature is that the entire body can recognize its user. Give it to your wife, and her private digital world appears instead. The moment a child picks it up, the phone loads their child profile, restricting social media, banking apps, and unwanted websites. Lost your phone? Just ask it where it is.
Kama!
It can even warn you when you leave home without it. Your car may never need a traditional key again. Unlocking the car isn't enough. The driver must also be verified. Cards could disappear too, because your phone becomes your secure digital wallet. Even road toll payments could happen automatically through the same identity. And the phone can understand when you're driving too fast. Then it reminds the driver that someone is waiting for them at home. If unusual biometric signals appear, the phone could recognize a possible medical emergency. It can alert emergency contacts and share the person's live location. But its hologram projector isn't only for work, it can transform a child's room. And the same tiny projector can turn a bedroom into a private cinema. With enough processing power, the phone can replace a gaming console. Controllers, headphones, keyboards, and other devices connect wirelessly. And the same hardware can replace a powerful desktop computer. A tiny side projector can even create a full-size keyboard wherever you need one. You don't need a memory card when your digital world lives in the cloud. Even a normal incoming call appears as a hologram. Accept the call, and the conversation appears directly in the room.
Hey.
Hey there. Glad it worked. I will see you very soon.
While walking, it can show your steps, distance, heart rate, and more. It also becomes your personal assistant, keeping track of your entire day. And while driving, your navigation could appear directly on the windshield. It doesn't just remind you, it understands what you need next. Maybe the smartphone of the future won't need a screen at all.
If you enjoyed this adventure, leave a like and subscribe to Beyond Reality for you. There's always another reality waiting to be explored.